On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolio's taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter Gang. On time, ready to go, kicking ass, taking names, Bitcoin's dumping. Happy hump day, everybody. Hopefully you've all had a good rest, because I think today's the turning point. Today is the day where you, my friend, you in your wanking chariot, sitting there, wanting to be successful at trading, are going to manage your risk. Just for today. I'm kidding. You're probably going to trade Altcoin again, but that's fine. Thank you for being here. What's going on, everybody? Hopefully you're having a wonderful day, and good to see you all. Good to be here on time, ready to kick ass, take some names. Bitcoin's rolling over right now. Where can we stop? Well, let's figure it out. What's going on, everybody? Good to see you. What's going on, Altcoin traders? Everybody having a good day? Blue collar trader, Chelsea, Patrice, good morning. Gang. I should have added pizza to this poll, man. I totally left out of the pizza, man. I failed. Let's start it again, actually. That's not acceptable. You can't have takeout without pizza. Okay, best takeout. We're gonna have pizza. We're gonna have a nice Chinese. I feel like it's almost racist calling it a Chinese or an Indian, but if you don't call it a Chinese or an Indian, what do you call it, man? And then, what else? What else should we add? I mean, I like a burger, man. I don't care what you say. I like a burger, man. So we're gonna keep it. We're gonna keep it as simple as possible, man. Now we got a poll going on. The best polls in all of crypto, no? I would say so. What's going on, Jesse? Good to see you, man. Jesse's like chataholic this morning. What's going on, bro? Quick Smoker, my man. What's going on, Steve Hickey? Ed Camp, good morning. How you guys doing? Albert Rajaguk. I realized, Jesse, it's not Galuk, it's Huluk. Isn't it Huluk? Did I pronounce that right? Anyways. Hopefully you're doing well, bro. Crypto Reaper, Steve Hickey, Jesse, Alexander G, Milan, Mr. C. What's going on, K-Pack? Welcome to the gang with your new membership. Trader Geo's in the chat. My brother, what's going on? Leafs won last night, bro. Oh, man, we pushing back already as soon as the stream starts, man. As soon as it starts, we got double SFP. Damn. Oh, man. This price action's absolute trash. No reason to long this, guys. We got bear divs, SFP. We got another SFP. We got another SFP. This just exhaustion up at the top just suggests we coming down right now, so I'm not touching it. Like to see it bounce lower. We'll see if we get it. Let's continue to say good morning to everybody. Thank you for being here. Asyncs, Shrian, good morning to you. Geo, how you doing, bro? Good to see you guys. Go follow Trader Geo. Change your life. USDT dominance king master of disaster. What's going on, bro? Good to see you. Race with Bob. Gang. Chris Reitz, Primo. What's going on, Rashad? Good to see you. Vinud, Prime Invest. What's going on, man? Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Trace, good afternoon. Good afternoon to all my afternoon people. Good evening to all my Australians, mate. What's going on, Australia? I had a meeting with an Australian yesterday. One of these guys we're doing a pretty cool project with. I'm really excited about it. I'm going to be bringing him on next Wednesday. So a week today, I'll be bringing on a guest from Australia. He's going to stay up till 2 a.m. It's 2 a.m. He's going to come on. He's going to show you some magical things that we've been working on in the background. Really excited. Really cool. Really cool stuff. Really cool stuff. G-Man, Mitch Shaw, Sean Beringer, Donato Cabrera, Jesse Galacapulio. Good morning, Dusty. Quick Smoker, Mark Gustafson. Good morning. Andrew Ingham, Muckin. Good afternoon. Good to see you. What's going on, Mr. Ga? Owl. Trying to push here. Michelle, Shy Owl, K-Pack, Bad Baptist. Yo, what we eat today? We eating profits. That's nice candle here. Continuation up. Sweeping this low, trying to push back here. I'd like to see this high taking 3-minute structure change first, and then we can consider getting long here. This is half decent push, but nothing. Half decent push, nothing. I'm really, yeah. This kind of thing here, that VWAP slap. Okay, that's a warning sign. That's like, okay, watch out. Look how aggressive this dump is. Okay, so yeah, we could push up here and continue, but Market Cipher, Pig Nipples trying to push up as well. Yeah, no touchy. No touchy right now. Overextended to the downside on the 12 minute, so not bad, but can come lower. The SPY is interesting lately. Okay, it's holding double bottom in here, trying to push out. Same with the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ's climbing a wall of worry. Double bottom, trying to push out. Pushing right now, though. Pushing right now. Solana, bottoming. ETH. Big pump and dump last night. Very weird for ETH. Very, it seems very manipulated lately. BW John, what's going on? Mike, 206, 2060. AlexOCrypto, gang. Let's go, baby. Gang. Chelsea, Patrice. Blue Collar Trader. GG, hey, what's going on, man? Lewis Aaron. Mr. Tube. J Fasho, D Oz. Asinda. Burger for one meal. Chinese food if you want leftovers. Yeah, Chinese, like chicken ball leftovers are bomb. I agree. Oh, this is a pull now, baby. I love a good Indian, though. Like, I'll have like a spicy butter chicken. Whoo. With some naan bread. Oh, man, that garlic naan bread. Get out of here. Get out of here. There's actually a really good Indian in town here. Oh, man. You guys get me hungry. K-Pack, D-Oz, unknown. Well, BTC will give a donor today. Oh, yeah. Okay. Or is that a Donner and Blitzen and Comet and Cupid? Caesar, what's going on? Random. Fish and chips. I mean, a chippy tea, man. Mike Whitty, a chippy tea from Scotland. It's called, okay, so when I lived in Scotland, you go to Edinburgh, Fat Tony's, it's called. This was the place, man. Fat Tony's. All right, you go over here. This was when I lived in Scotland. Look, it's still there. Fat Tony's here. Okay, nice guy. Makes the fish. Fat Tony's makes the fish nice and fresh for you, man. You go in here in Edinburgh, all right, in Scotland, and say this Canadian guy who used to come here all the time sent me. Fat Tony's, man. I'm telling you, the best chippy tea. It's the best chippy tea, man. It's just a hole in the wall. He makes it fresh. In Scotland, it comes right out of the ocean onto your plate, mate. It's absolutely brilliant, all right? Yeah, Fat Tony. Look at that. Oh, man. That's a chippy tea, man, with some curry sauce. Oof. If you haven't had it, I mean, you're not living, man. You're not living if you haven't had it. You're not living. If you don't know what a chippy tea is with some curry sauce, get to Scotland, go to Fat Tony's. You'll thank me later. No tacos either. I mean, we could put shawarma on there. We could put tacos. What's going on, Chantel? Good to see you, Madara. Jay Violet, good to see you guys. Thank you for being here, Curtis Hill. How's the sound check? Does everybody like the sound? Are we good here? Bop, 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 bop. Nice haircut. I mean, I haven't gotten a haircut in a couple weeks, but thank you. You're looking good too, Colin. Thank you. Dusty, Jezza, good morning. Good to see you, Mass Rider. Thank you for being here, guys. Having more. Jesse. Good morning, K Diggity. Good morning. Can you show your VWAP settings? Yeah, man. No problem. Here you go. Take a screenshot. Tell your friends. Okay. Second group. Third group. Free indicator. Okay. Make sure you're on Bybit. Okay, everybody is like, oh, my VWAP's different than yours. Go on Bybit chart, please. On the Bybit chart. It will be different on every other chart. Make sure you're on Bybit. Okay, thank you. Double bottom trying to push here. It's just, is it worth the squeeze, guys? That's the question, right? Is this worth the squeeze? Not in my opinion. VWAP's really close. Support and resistance really close. I mean, you could take it up to your retracement in here. Just not worth the squeeze. In my opinion. That's just my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a hobbit in Canada. It snowed kind of deal. You know, that's me. Hanging out here with my polar bears. Clicking buy and sell, hopefully successfully. I had a good day yesterday. Yesterday was good. Show me yours, I'll show you mine. Last 4 trades, right? You always want to be showing your last trades from yesterday. I was kicking Solana's ass yesterday. I mean, 2,000, 800, 300, 900, 200, all last night. Last night, couldn't even get an answer. And then, just whooping ass, okay? Had a good trading day yesterday. I was just seeing it. You know, when you see it, and you're just like, okay, there it is. I mean, really easy trades. Like, on Solana yesterday, we had this, like, uptrend here. I mean, I caught, yeah. It was all these retests, okay? This was my biggest trade right here. Order block retest continuation. BAP. I was paid so fast, I didn't even know what to do with all that money. I mean, double bottom here, trying to push. Yeah, this is still bearish, guys. Just market structure here suggests, we're coming down. SFP, break here, acceptance back into the range, break of the low, means we're rotating to the middle to the bottom of the range, right? So even on Solana here, you get acceptance, you deviate, right? You break this low, you break this upwards trend line, you look to rotate back down to the lows. Boop, 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 boop. Just a thought. See if it can hold, but you want proof in the pudding here in order to get long. Same with these, or same with Bitcoin. Okay? That's why we don't take this trade. Same with Bitcoin. When we zoom out, very simple, right? What do you see up here, everybody? You guys should all be able to see this. You don't need to be a rocket scientist. You see failure to push, failure to push, failure to push, failure to push, failure. This is like a really big baby, and you know this is a C-section. We'll call that a C-section. Okay. Okay. Failure to push here, meaning buyers not stepping up to push price higher here. Major resistance level. Liquidity down below. Okay, so very quick snap here during our live stream yesterday, and then not mitigating this low, not taking the liquidity out of the low, so there's still lots of liquidity down below. There's lots of liquidity up high. So what does that mean, guys? We're range bound. Oh, genius, right? Genius. We are range bound. Okay? Major volume up here. Like the biggest volume in this entire macro range up top here. Okay? Gonna take a little bit of juice to get through it. So be prepared, right? For me, we're looking for the big, old, dirty, beautiful SFP into these levels in here. We are ready for you, baby. Come on. Come on. Bring it. Come and feed us some beautiful chippy tea with some curry sauce. All right. That's it, man. Balloon dogs everywhere. Yeah, that's the one. Okay, you seen Bitcoin lifers? What's going on, random? Good to see you. Alex, I'm struggling to trust my decisions when entering a trade. How do you overcome this? Confidence backtesting. Confidence and backtesting. Letting the trade play out, not participating in the trade. Only using price action to confirm your idea. Quick reminder to smash the likes. We do have our winner yesterday, and they have been paid for our Steve Ruggles mug. Actually, this is pretty cool. You guys are actually artists, man. We got our beautiful Steve Ruggles competition here that has finished. We got our winner here. Congratulations to Ryan. Ryan has been paid 200 USDT for his beautiful contribution. I'm going to add the gang in here. This will be on a mug. I like this, man. Steve Ruggles, hopes and dreams, market maker, rugging him. I like it, man. He's kind of cute. Okay. Then we also have our runner up here with a very sleek, kind of clean design here. I like this as well. Congratulations, Ryan, and congratulations to our Jay. I believe it's Jay. Congratulations, Jay, man. Great work. Now it's on to the next one. So now we have the other one. We have a lurker on a wanking chariot. You guys, lurker on a wanking chariot. This is Ryan's next one. AlexOCrypto. You got a like button. Here's your lurker. Lurker gang. He's got his Kleenex, his Starbucks. Yeah, interesting. Lurker on a wanking chariot. That's our next competition. For our next mug. I kind of like it, man. Oh, you guys, I mean, if you're a lurker on a wanking chariot, you can just put lurker in the chat. We like to have fun here, guys. So we're gonna get those put on some t-shirts and stuff, man. You guys are hilarious. I mean, we do have the website for like the merch. I'm working on making Let's see a Make Crypto Honest Again. I'm working on a Make Crypto Honest Again hat. Okay. Embroidered. Okay, I'm going to Make Crypto Honest Again hat. But we do have merch. So I do have like my hoodie, the gang, the mat. The mat's actually really good. The polo embroidered, the family mug. We do have all that here at AlexOCrypto.com. I'm going to make more. I want to have a website built out by the new year. So we'll get there. I mean, I'm not used to this business stuff, guys. I'm a hammer swinging, buy and sell clicking, otter gang family member. That's it, man. So this tech stuff always intimidates me. However, we'll make it work because the community is everything. Okay. Community is everything. That's for damn sure. What's going on, Piper? Good to see you, brother. Much love, man. Step 1, say good morning. Step 2, hit like. Step 3, watch your account grow. Let's go. Traveling man, good to see you. Thank you for being here. Gains for life. Good to see you. B-Rad. Jesse as well. With the deep cut last night. What was that, Bad Baptist? What was the deep cut? Orhan, good morning, man. Good to see you. Southern Stacker, Moonlit, ENN, JC, Moonlit, Gert, good to see you. Mike Whitney, good to see you as well. Gang. Hey, man, I've noticed that the second VWAP on the above, the main one, so the standard deviation one, yeah, has often acted as resistance. That's why we have them, right? So with VWAP, I like standard deviations because of a couple of things. So VWAP's always treated as two things, right? VWAP is support and resistance. It's magnetic. And it's also, with the deviations, it's also overextended Bollinger Bands. Okay, so you can treat it as Bollinger Bands. When price gets overextended, it tends to come back to VWAP, right? So you can take that trade in, you can take this trade in, you can take that trade in, you can take this trade in. Okay, and you can see that throughout price action here. You can take this trade back up. You see the number -1 here holds support. Okay, overextended. You can long that back to VWAP. Okay. It also acts as something that's trending, right? So if you have price action, and let's say price action is ripping, like it did here, right? It can be trending. So a simple rule is anything above, if price action is above VWAP, I'm looking for longs only. Very simple rule. Okay, and you can see that you would look for this, but look at standard deviation 1 holding support. So this is an aggressive trend in here. So you're looking to buy the dips, right? With good risk management and understanding of price action, you can take that long, right? Also, it can act as the magnet. So that's when price deviates away from it, it can return to it. Okay? We like to take slaps here. So slaps for us, we took 2 slaps yesterday. Gave a trade setup to the gang yesterday for the slap of the VWAP. That was in here. We took this slap yesterday as a community, and then we took this slap again as a community. Okay? Both longs, both got paid. Okay? Because you have an aggressive move through VWAP, which tells you you're looking for buys now. Therefore, you're looking for slaps and goes. We knew where the resistance was, so we knew where to take profit. Very, very simple strategy. Set up in advance, right? I mean, if we look here, we look at my TA section in the Discord, right? Good old VWAP slap, pay yourself, right? Set up in advance, right? There's your VWAP slap, trade setup. Looking for that. Price is up here, looking for the slap and go. We're also looking lower if it came lower, but that's what we were looking for initially, right? Just the plan. Always trade the plan. Trade price action. How it reacts, and hopefully you can make money off of it with good risk management. And I mean, I took Solana along there, and good fun. Good fun. So VWAP's my favorite, by far my favorite indicator. Me, price action, and VWAP all day, baby, all day, because it's just the average price for the day. Right? If you think about it, right? This is a line that starts every morning, right? It's just an average price. So it's averaging the volume weighted average price. So the volume that's weighted in their price. This is the area where most buyers and sellers are agreeable on exchanging the asset, right? So you got, I will gladly buy and sell Bitcoin at this area. That's the average. So typically, price returns to the average. Price holds the average. Okay, so it's very good intraday trading tool, and it's adaptive. It continues to adapt to price action as it materializes, which is what we always look for. We look for volume and price action, VWAP, to make up market structure that hunts liquidity, right? Right? So if I have a tool that puts price action and volume together for an average of the day, this is my average for this stuff here, I can use market structure and hunt liquidity. So if I get an SFP here, I know to return to here, right? It's very simple, but it's very effective if you know what you're looking for. Right? And sometimes it betrays you. I've had a couple of days here where I'm like, okay, VWAP, man, we got to have a talk. You know, I know if my wife ever left me, I'd just marry VWAP. Treats me right most of the time and pays my bills. Oh, man. Okay. Makes sense? Makes sense. Quick little VWAP update. John Foster Crypto, my man, what's going on? Good morning, bro. John, are you trading that TAC coin again? I think John is addicted to this thing. What did you have? 3,000% or something? Where was it, John? John Foster Crypto. Bro. You're degen, but I love you, bro. I've told you to stay away from TAC coin like 3 times. However, nice trade, bro. Nice trade. I hope you rich, man. Or at least pre-rich, bro. At least pre-rich. Oh, man. Let's go, John. Oh, man. Thank you for the 5 gifted memberships, man. We got Chip Glazer here, who's a lurker. We have Ray Tex is a lurker. Rodney's a lurker. Jung Hong. Oh, man. Jun Hung Han. What's going on, man? That's an awesome name, bro. Panda Bank. What's going on? Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Bob Gnarly. What if price action is above VWAP on the higher time frames, but on the 1 minute below VWAP? How's that possible? It's not possible. If I was on like an hourly and it's still in the same spot, bro. It's not like it just moves because of the time frames. Good dump here. Coming into our buy level here. Good discipline on no longs. Rolling over. Coming down into our buy level here. This is golden pocket retracement level. Looking for the liquidity sweep in here. We'll see if we get it. Thank you everybody for being on the live. Little bit of patience here. As expected, right? Exhaustion up at the top. Mitigation of the low. Rolling over. Trying to bounce. Buyers stepping up. No. A little bit. A little bit here. Little pushback. Retest to previous lows. Continuation down. Overextended to the downside. VWAP, guys. VWAP, guys. Right? Where are we? Right? Rolling on a river. Retest the previous highs on NASDAQ. You're using the wrong VWAP, bro. It's not VWAP. That's just, I don't know what that is. ENN. 5 gifted memberships. Thank you. Can I just call you Travel and Chill. Good morning. Good to see you. Thank you for always saying good morning. Skyline Lurker. Paper Beats Rock. Good to see you, man. How you been? Been a while. Ladle to the grave. V? It's like cradle to the grave. I like it. Play on words. Good morning. And Aussie. Lurker. I can't understand how you know volume so good. I feel like the volume indicator is weird. The point of control is much easier to understand for me. Any advice for my dumb So the point of control is much easier to understand for me. So you're talking about a fixed range volume profile. You're not talking about volume in the candles, right? You're talking volume in a range. So a fixed range volume profile and a point of control are literally, they're interpretive, right? Depends where you pull your fixed range volume profile tool. Right, you're going to get your naked point of controls. You're going to get all that stuff. Just rolling over here. So my job with volume, and I have volume levels here, right? My support and resistance are volume levels. Okay, so all these lines you see on the chart here. My order block isn't working. Let me refresh this thing. Nice sweep here. Front running golden pocket. Cheeky bugger here. Cheeky bugger. So when you're using a fixed range volume profile tool, your job is to isolate price as best as possible, right? So you can see obviously I have my support and resistance. It looks like a mess, but when you're on short-term time frames, it's not. So you want to pull this volume in here, right? You got your point of control. You're losing your point of control. You're looking to rotate to the bottom of your range, right? What comes into play, though, right? What comes into play is liquidity, right? So you understand liquidity is here and here. You understand there's an imbalance in price action in here, okay? You understand there's an imbalance in here before this was taken, right? You understand when you push up this aggressively, there's an imbalance and you typically recover it. So rotating between value area highs and value area lows. Well, when is the problem is when do you not do it, right? So you reclaim the value area high. You're looking for a breakout continuation here, or you're looking for a rejection back into the range, right? So it's interpretive still with price action, which can lead to mistakes, in my opinion, right? Now, it's important to understand on a very macro point of view. So if we're on, let's say, zooming it on a 12-hour here, we understand where price can get sticky, right? That's how we were able to know that when we came into here, that we were going to get rejected. Very simple. Because price needs some oomph, okay? It needs some oomph to get through that, right? This is thick, right? This is thick, right? This is, so you can either have volume that looks like this, which is what you want, right? So you stick here, you move fast to the next one. You stick here, you move maybe fast to this one. Okay? So you move quick in between these lower volume levels because price doesn't have much support and resistance. It just makes sense, right? Because people aren't agreeing to buy and sell the asset there. Okay? But the thing is when you get an area, okay, you got your beautiful volume spikes, and then you get an area that looks like this. This sucks, man. And that's where we are right now. We're in a square. Okay? And that's where you get. And price is range bound 80% of the time, right? So When you're range bound, you define your range. You want to buy low and sell high. Easier said than done. Volume helps you do that. Volume in candles, volume in price action, volume weighted average price for the intraday trading is a total different animal. I'm not solely basing off of a point of control. I know where my areas of interest are. My red lines represent the support and resistance of the choppiness. Okay, so look, we had a rejection here. Okay, we had a rejection here. This is a range. This is a range. These are little stops in between. So I've defined my ranges with my volume and my support and resistance, which allows me to understand that, hey man, if we do not flip this, we are getting sent back down. Look how well it worked, right? Like, I mean, you just short this red line over and over again. You're just printing money, because we know this is a barrier to entry to higher prices. You're finding support here, but we understand also that this is a smaller volume level. This isn't a very key level. This is a smaller volume level. So if we lose this, we're probably coming back down to what? Our friend down here. So it's always taking, in my opinion, it's always taking price action and isolating it. I always talk about this when we teach in our Discord, is we talk about price being here, right? This is where price is right now. We want to take our information, look left confluence. Thank you, Kyle. We want to look left, pull all of our data, find the perfect and most confluence levels throughout our charts, and we want to look to take trades at those levels, if price action gives us the idea to do so, right? That's our job. We do our analysis from top down. We take our big idea into a small, finite idea. And as a scalper, you have to be very finite. Okay? Isolate price, take advantage of price action. Hopefully that helps you. It's a tool, right? It's a tool. Think about it like this. As a carpenter, for me, right, my interpretation of price action and volume live is basically like my hand skills. It's like, how good am I at cutting a straight line, right? Can I cope a miter joint? Okay. How good are my hand skills? So this is my hand skills. This is experience watching this stuff. The fixed range volume profile, that's the saw I'm using, right? The Fibonacci, that's the chop saw I'm using. Maybe I got a DeWalt, maybe I got a Bosch, maybe I got a Fest tool. Who knows, right? But those are tools. Watching this over time, that's your experience, right? That's how I know to hold the tape and the drywall knife at the same time. Score 2 feet, score 4 feet. Okay, whatever. I know how to break it, snap it, pull it, crack it, right? I know how to load my gun, hold the piece of drywall, screw it in. I don't screw it all the way through. I have a sense of feel. That's this. Okay? As long as you're not using Milwaukee. Right? So this is your skills, and then the tools surrounding that is how you use it, right? You got to get good with the tools. But you also have to understand what's going on before you use the tools, right? Why is it whenever I have a window and I give someone internal measurements, okay? So I give someone, we're putting on casing, right? So we're putting on the frame of the window, right? I give someone this measurement from here to here, okay? Put a 1 in the chat if this has ever happened to you, if you know what I mean. So I give someone this measurement here. Let's say it's 45 inches, right, for this window. Right? Internal measurement. What always happens? I get a stupid piece of wood now, and it's always cut out of an 8-foot piece. It's always cut out of an 8-foot piece that looks like this. Okay? Instead, instead of looking like this, right? It's always a miter short. You guys know what I mean? How many times have you given apprentice this measurement for a window casing? Because window casings come out like this, right? Okay, so you have your window casing or your door casing. You give someone this measurement because that's where you measure, and then you get this little piece that you got to get the wood stretcher out. How many times have I? Oh my God. Oh my God. So many times, man. It's like, what the am I supposed to do with this thing? So true, man. So true. Oh, man. Too good. Anyways, thank you everybody for being here and supporting the channel. We got 400 people in here. You guys are incredible, man. You guys don't cut miters wrong. Buongiorno. Matt Eagle, good morning. Wick 589. Just a sub, good to see you. Quick Smoker. I'm usually the idiot that cuts the miter wrong. Oh, you flip it. You're one of those flip it around, upside down kind of deals. Yeah. You can only stretch the softwoods. Yeah. I spent all day yesterday doing crown. Paul, you need a jig. So you have your miter saw, Paul. Okay. Here's your miter saw. Right? Okay. Here's your miter saw. You need a jig that sits 30 to 50 or 30% here. Okay, it sits on your fence so you can cut it flat. Look up miter saw jig, Paul. It's just a jig that sits on your fence like this that you can lay your crown on, okay? Your crown, whatever it looks like. Look up miter saw jig. Stop doing the double bevel, tilt it this way, put this thing this way. Stop doing that. Get the jig, man. Look it up. Easy. Making crown easy again, bro. Look it up. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. Right? It holds the crown in position to cut it properly, yeah. You can make the jig, Paul. It's very easy. Just look it up on YouTube. You're not going like, what is it, 31.6? Yeah, 33.9, yeah. Yeah, that's the one. Upside down backwards, and you're sitting there looking like you're trying to fucking build a Rubik's Cube. And then you're trying to put a return on it. Build the jig. It'll save you a headache. Then it's just like cutting baseboard. Nice pushback here. Trying to bounce. Front running my buy zone right now, everybody. So let's take a look at market cipher. I know you guys aren't here to talk carpentry. Well, most of you are. Come on, let's be real. So when we're looking at market cipher, what we understand here is that we're in consolidation. Okay, so we said option 1, 2, and 3. Option 1, we close above here. We didn't. We got rejected. Okay, option 2, we stay sideways, but we hold these lows. Good job. Okay, and option 3 is we close below here and we look for a dead cat bounce and we go to 0. Okay, those are our options right now. Right now, it looks like very much consolidation into this range. Okay, very much, which is fine. What we are looking for is a spring. We're looking for this thing to come down and bounce. Okay, we want to see another spring. They're not going to give us an easy ride after this absolutely detrimental liquidity destroying of people's portfolios scam bullshit. Okay, the daily here, possible trigger wave in the next, let's call it 2 to 3 days. So I would guess Sunday. Okay, bearish divergence up at the highs. So we're in if this then that. Okay, we're in very much this kind of consolidation here. So chop, wanting to see a higher high, higher low. Okay, the 12-hour here suggests that we can push up. In my opinion, we had a very flat candle here, so this could give us bullish divergence if we sweep and go. That would be, in my opinion, the best possible outcome for this. Sweeping some lows, some liquidity in here, and then going for this high. What is good now is that we have a constructed high now. So we have this high put in over Sunday and Monday, right? So now we can look for market structure changes, right? So we can look for this high to be taken, and then we can look for retracements and continuations. The concern is that we haven't come up to the golden pocket of, the beautiful, beautiful all-time high. Okay, we have not hit that yet. So this is going to be a major area of contention. Why? Because 117 is the thickest volume in this upper range. Okay, 117, we go here. We throw a beautiful little horizontal here for you guys to see. And we can see that's where the big chunky volume is at 117,400. So that's where I'm looking for a short here. Okay, that's where I'd be looking for a short. Understand that. Okay, so we haven't hit that. Major resistance here. Failure to push. Holding the lows. Liquidity in the lows trying to push up, right? So if we sweep and pop. Okay, that would give us beautiful bullish divergence. Yeah, okay. Money flow still looks good on 8. But very choppy right now. And very sporadic, right? The VIX is high right now. 19 on the VIX, which means choppy. Price is moving, but it's not moving very far. It's just moving, which creates a lot of sitting in trades and uncertainty. So be prepared for that. Be certain before you enter a trade. So I'm trying to say. Trigger wave here, very ugly market cipher here on the 4-hour. Failed to push that trigger wave out yesterday. Okay, like we said, looking for that trigger wave to push out. Got rejected at the 0 line here. However, we do have stochastics switching green, so we are looking for a potential bounce. Good exhaustion down here. So it looks like buyers are trying to defend these lows on the 4-hour. But we can also see on the shorter term time frames that buyers are failing to push price higher here, which is why it's just range bound price action, right? So we want to buy low, sell high, buy low. Okay, we want to trade the buns like we always talk about here. We don't want to get noodle slapped. We want to trade the hot dog buns. Okay, that's going to be key to success. Okay, the 3, the 2, the 1. Going through all of this, we can see we have a little bit of hopium. Not much, though. Money flow is still red. Stochastics very uncertain here, but we do have like uptrending momentum trying to go here. So we'd like to see this turn up today. Okay, that would be nice. And that would be around this afternoon, 4 o'clock. So could we get a little bit of pain, then a little bit of gain, possibly today. Depends on what happens. Okay. Orange man tweets, who knows? Okay. Hourly, very, very choppy, very ugly as well. So we're going to let price action really tell us the story today. 30-minute trying to push back here. Okay. Nothing yet. Pretty aggressive rollover here on the 30-minute. You can see no real green candles. coming into our golden pocket area right now. So swing low to swing high. Hasn't hit it yet. So still trying to remain patient here. We're looking for some sort of structure in here to justify getting long. We're looking for an SFP down below in here to justify getting long. We're also looking a little bit lower down in here to a little bit of a secret low down here at 107,500 if we are going to have a dump ski, but we'll see. But we're prepared. That's it. We understand that, hey, if this, then that. Very choppy price action. How do we participate safely, right? So we have our key levels. We're prepared. We'll see how it reacts. Okay, we're below VWAP. We have been rejected. We've broken structure to the downside, right? So we need confirmation to justify getting long. NASDAQ trying to push up here, climbing the wall of worry, which is a good sign, but still not out of the woods just yet. We have that big drop, the consolidation, the retest, liquidity grab, higher high, higher low, and it has been climbing ever since, trying to get above the range high here. Okay, so NASDAQ is climbing, which, you know, for me, this just causes concern because a lot of liquidity resides down below here if we're going to send it back down. Okay, so we'll be watching that pretty closely today. But support and resistance flip, continuation up here. We just traded support and resistance level to level. Okay, it's been pretty good to us, so keep an eye on that. The SPY here very similar. Looking for a gap up today. Would like to come back to these highs, consolidate in there. We'll see what happens there. Solana, bottoming structure, bullish divergence here, trying to push back up, trying to close above these highs here and continue to push here. Little rejection level here at 204, so we'll see how that behaves. Ethereum holding the lows very high, pump and dump last night, okay? And back down to our buy level, so interesting. Good fun. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. We got 450 people in here. Not enough likes, guys, man. This is some amateur hour like session, man. I can't believe we only got 120 likes, man. I guess we should just go to the Discord. The Discord has a sale on till Friday. It has been extended to everybody over here. If you do want to join, 7 traders, incredible TA, signals, setups, ideas, walkthroughs, guidance, full course, 150 videos. I mean, it's going up to $88. It's currently at $65. This is a sale for all those who got Steve Ruggled. We've extended it. The best family in all of crypto, the gang, doing giveaways, having fun, kicking ass, taking names, all that good stuff. Thank you guys for supporting the channel, man. Thank you for being here. I do appreciate you guys being here, and hopefully we can help you guys navigate these charts a little bit better. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. We're almost at pretty crazy, man. We're almost at 17,000 subscribers. 958. 958, man. You guys are cool. If we can get to 17 today, we'll do a giveaway. Obviously. Thank you guys for just hanging out, not being weird. A little bounce here. Solana looks better. ETH choppy. Very aggressive downtrend. Still waiting here. Coming into 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. See if Bitcoin can get a little bit of a bounce. No trades open right now. Just chilling. One thing that I do stress that you transfer your funds. So every morning I come in here. I transfer the profits out of the or the losses. We put the profits back in. So we got to swap it over. We put 1,896 back over to our spot account. And that allows us to start the day with 10K. It also protects my futures account. So if we get a liquidation event and it goes to 0, I only lose $10,000. So always protect your capital. Okay. Like we talked about yesterday, you have your trading account, your futures account. From that futures account, you should hold X amount of dollars, whether it's $1,000 trading account. Okay. And from that, you should rotate profits or losses in and out of a spot account. So put the money back into the spot. This is your piggy bank to either top up this or to stack money in here. Okay, from your spot account, you should be putting that either into a float account, which is a hot wallet, or into cold storage, which is don't touchy. Okay, no touchy. Or you can put it into fiat, okay, into paying yourself. But you should always have a system in place to protect and preserve your capital. Okay, after that liquidation event, I think a lot of people need to focus more on keeping their money rather than just using it irresponsibly. A lot of people gamify their trading, right? And you think it's just numbers on a screen until you realize that's your hard-earned money, man. Respect your money. Respect yourself. Don't take it for granted. As a trader, it's very easy, even for myself. I take $1,000 loss. $1,000 US. My God, just chucking that out the window. It's a different ball game here, right? So you must be prepared. You must respect it because it will humble you very quick. Very quick. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Hopefully you're all learning a lot. Tell us more about Fartcoin. I mean, it's hot air rises. It's stinky. It's not easy. I would not trade it. I traded Fartcoin for a week. I blame Wave Cipher. I made 7,000 or 5,000. I can't remember. I made 5,000. I thought I was cool, and then I lost 8,000. So I mean, I had a negative $4,000 day, and I was pretty pissed off, and I shared that publicly with everyone. So don't trade shitcoins, man. Tengu, welcome. Thank you for joining, man. The liquidation sale, that's the one, man. Don Sean, good to see you. Thank you for being here. French Toaster, Orhan. I joined today. Welcome, Him Crypto. Thank you for joining the gang, man. Check yourself before you wreck yourself. Click, click. It's a 2-week paycheck for some, sadly. Yeah, it is. Absolutely. I need a sick degen entry. Big Wick energy. No real setups right now. I mean, just pretty flat, which is okay coming into a market open. Solana had the nice SFP here. Been using Solana and ETH more for confluence than anything. Downtrending momentum here, trying to push back Doji and golfing here on ETH. 50 minutes. Nice sweep in here. Taking this low. So it's done a job in here, but I think lower would be better. But that's just my opinion. Pretty overextended to the downside. So we could see a little bit of relief here coming back and retesting these lows in here. And possible continuation down. No trade though. Overextended on our VWAP, so possible buy level. Just didn't come into my level, man. If it came down here, I would have been considering a long, but it didn't. So I stay patient. That's my job, really. It's to wait. It sucks. I know it sucks, guys. I want to be in a trade, right? I enjoy trading. That's why we're here, right? But if you take, let's say we take the trade here long and we make money, but it's an undisciplined long because we're looking here and we're looking here, right? What does that lead to? And we win here. We win. We make money, right? What does that lead to? It allows me to justify taking trades in the future, not in my setup areas, right? It allows me to be undisciplined, right? And that's compounding, guys. As much as you don't think it is, it's compounding. It's working in the background against you. It's saying that, hey man, this looks like a short, let's take it here. Even though you don't have anything there pointing in the right direction. And over time, that habit will lose you money. That's what it will do. Okay? Your short was a VWAP slap here. Your short was a VWAP slap here. I mean, I wasn't up at 7. I mean, that was 7 here. So that was 4 in the morning, 5 in the morning here. Right? Failure to break out. Coming back in. Key support level losing it. Retest short. Right? 3 drives. Balloon dog. Continuation trade. Looking for the retest. Long. Right? So it must be in your setup. And it must. These are musts, right? Like, I think you have to have musts in trading. That's why you have rules. Okay? Rules are so important. My most newest rule. Listen to this one, guys. My wife helps me with my rules, eh? My most newest rule is I will not trade while doing payroll. Fuck me, man. I will not trade while doing payroll. Okay? So this is how my brain works, okay? Okay, I'm doing payroll and I'm paying the traders, right? So I'm down 1,000, down another 1,000. I'm throwing out thousands, guys. I'm paying the Discord, right? I'm down 1,000. And I'm like, I can just trade this back, right? So like I've forked out like 5, 6, 7K, whatever I pay. Okay, you guys don't need to know the ins and outs, but it's a good chunk of money, right? So I'm down, let's just say for easy sakes, I'm down 5K, right? So my brain says I need to make this money back. It's fucking so stupid, man. So I start trading, and this was last month, and I lost $2,000. So my payroll was like $7,000. Like an idiot, man. An absolute idiot. My newest rule. I will not trade while doing payroll. Because I'm like, man, this is bullshit. I can make this money back. And it's like 9 o'clock at night. And like, first of all, I shouldn't be trading at that time. Okay? Do you come live every day? Yeah, I'm here 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, man. Good morning. It's Shawarma Day in Canada. That's not a real day in Canada, bro. I'm sorry. We have poutine, maple syrup days. How can it be Shawarma Day in Canada? No shawarma was ever invented in Canada. Pineapple on pizza, poutine, maple syrup. Maybe a bad day. What's going on, bro? How you been, man? God bless you. The Night Guy, Lurker. Yuri, Lurker. Gear Up Guitar, Lurker. Richie, Ripto. Let's go, Lurker. Ratch, Lurker. Let's get some lurkers in the chat for these 5 new members. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. No Bitcoin trade right now. Still waiting. Big Wick Energy. Aster is good. Doing good. How you been, maybe a Band-Aid? I'm watching you from Australia. I lived in Sydney, man. Welcome. I know it's late for you. It's like 1 a.m., 2 a.m. Dixie's pumping like crazy. Good. Good. That means it can drop like crazy, too. Good morning, Peanut. Spyron, Arc, good morning. French Toaster, good morning. A good, Apulia, Midnight. You're in Melbourne, yeah. Nice. Yeah, I lived in Sydney for a year. Chiller man dealing with house renovations, so up at the bungalow by the beach. Nice, man. Nice, bro. Renos, good fun. How's the link setup looking to you? So we had a link trade idea. It's probably down right now. Yeah, it is down right now. So it's trying to hold this area in here. We'll see if it does. This is more of a swing trade, guys. So we're just waiting for confirmation on this. Right now I want to see these lows hold. Obviously rolling over here on Bitcoin, rolling over on everything, so it's no trade right now. You just want to see that confirmation in here, and then possibly a long idea. Hype played out quite nicely last night for everyone. Set up in the Discord. Beautiful, whatever. What was it? 6% move on hype last night, given in advance, so warned you guys about hype. That was good. Everything's rolling over now, right? So we readjust, right? They're ideas. So you must use the skills that we teach you in the Discord to take these trades. You must pay yourselves accordingly as well. They're ideas. There's a big old fat disclaimer that they are ideas. Because I can go through your altcoins all the time, and I give the setups and all the ideas and what we're looking for. And we're looking for generally the same things on most tokens. But you wait for confirmations, you set alerts. Remember that these are poop coins, and be happy to make some money. Use the strategies we teach. 1 hour time frame, confirm on 15 minutes, okay? And, you know, some of them, you know, hype hit quite nicely last night. We warned you guys here. Setups in advance. I mean, you do what you want with them. John Foster Crypto, stop trading tab, bro. I've seen enough SFP on Bitcoin right now. John, it's going to get you in trouble, bro. It's always good until she calls you and she has a baby. And it might be yours. Just saying. Just saying. Nice sweep in here. Another SFP, man. Another SFP. 3 drives. Same thing as yesterday. Same thing as yesterday, guys. 3 drives here. We didn't long it yesterday. Right? Remember? Do we remember yesterday? Right here. Same thing. What's the difference, guys? What's the difference? Tell me what's the difference. The day. Don't be smart. Okay, the day is different. The day. I got myself with that one. It's where we are on the chart, right? It's we're not down at the lows anymore, right? We're not down here. We're up here. So it's a little bit more, you're in the middle of the range. More risky for longs. I remember yesterday I was sweating. Don't be sweating, man. I mean, we need to. Has BNB finally topped out? I doubt it. I doubt it. BNB, you know, BNB's kicking ass, taking names, man. We all should have just bought BNB. Pay the trader. Burlington John. Key level, yep. Top of the range, exactly. Yeah. Yeah, so we're in a different location on the chart in the range, right? That we have our sell walls up at the top. We're not down here anymore. We're up here. So makes it, we must have confirmation in this area. We must see a mitigation of a high and then possible continuation. Momentum break. Okay. How's the stream, everybody? It feels a little bit laggy this morning. Maybe it's my trading view. Put a 1 in the chat if the sound and the stream is good. Obviously, I have a new setup, so I just want to make sure we're good. We got 470 people in here. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for supporting the channel. Let's go. Okay, thank you guys. God bless. Just ripping a quick short on Sol to get your Discord membership. Been lurking long enough. Let's go, man. Thank you for being here. I like people who are secret lurkers, and when they finally come out of the woodwork and admit it. Thanks, guys. Does this sound better? I know I don't sound as good as Wave Cipher, but I think the sound is better. A bit louder? I can turn it a bit louder. There you go. I don't want to be so close to the mic that I, you know. Can you give us fast BNB thoughts? Yeah, CZ. 1 hour, BNB, VWAP. Okay. Full recovery. All-time high. Rejection. SFP. Yeah, you're coming down here. Very easy. This is where you're looking. Okay. That's it. Liquidity here. Liquidity here. Hey, buddy. Knock, knock. Are you knocking on my door? Did you bring me coffee, buddy? Hey? What's up, buddy? You want me to come and... You gonna give me a big hug this morning or what? Say yes. Knock, knock. Is that you? Good morning. How are you, buddy? I'm coming. Give me 1 second. Where's my handsome boy?
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when it chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll blow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. But a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Traipsing these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when it chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when it chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
I guess that's his new routine. He's like, he wakes up, he knocks on the door. He like full on like bang, bang, bang. He's only one. Knocks on the door and goes, da, da. Nothing better, man. Got some coffee. Good to go for market open. Just chopping down, guys. Like really just rejection, rejection, rejection. Retest the previous lows. Continuation down here. Very simple strategy breaking down. Will you take a trade with us, or are you just going to tell us? I guess you're new here, Shub. This is the most transparent, making crypto honest again, showing you the trades, taking the trades, letting you know what I'm thinking. Crypto show in all of crypto. Okay, I take the trades, I show the trades, I show the wins, I show the losses every single day. forever. So, welcome. Thank you for being here, man. Dadwin. Yeah. Little man's awesome, man. I'm very grateful. God bless you too, Bad Baptist. Good morning, Tim Young. Good to see you, man. How you been? Alex Jr. I don't know. I don't want him to be an Alex Jr. I was a bit of a menace growing up. Hope he's his mom Jr. That would be better. Mom Jr. Mom's a sweetheart. Dada was a little bit of a terror as a kid. Oh, man. Love from Malaysia. Thank you for being here. Luckness Lou. It is early, K-Pack. Thank you for... K-Pack won the giveaway the other day. Got K-Pack signed up to the Discord for the 1 month free membership. We'll do another giveaway if we do hit 17,000 subscribers, man. I don't know if we're going to hit it today. What are we at? 19,968. That's pretty cool, guys. I don't think we'll hit it today, but grateful nonetheless, man. Skating ass, smoking grass, you name it, man. Yeah, man. Trey flips on that jungle juice, man. That's the one. That's the one. Just get into those videos, K-Pack. Take advantage. Nice pushback here. I like the engulfing doji candle down here. See if we can continue to push here, but the 24 and the 12-hour very oversold, which is good. So this gives us the hopium for a pushback. At least a little retracement, right? And we can take this all day. So very overextended here. Overextended here. VWAP curving up, right? So giving us some hopium here. Hasn't come into our buy level yet. Looking for a little sweep in here and a bounce. Clear resistance up in this support level here. Trying to hold. Obviously lost. The interesting thing is that low here. Okay, so we have low, higher low. Never came for that yesterday. We were looking for that yesterday, and we didn't get it. We got the SFP here. I know some of you guys got long here. Congrats on that long. Good job yesterday. I took Solana here. So, I mean, I had a good day yesterday, too. So, I may not get in here sometimes. Normally, I do. Normally, I'm here, and all you guys are mad at me. I was mad at you guys yesterday for getting long here. I didn't get long here. I got long here on the balloon dog. Oh, that balloon dog. That balloon dog paid. You guys saw the balloon dog trade I was in, right? You guys got long here. I got long here. Balloon dog, right? Can we all agree? AlexOCrypto got long there yesterday in the Discord. I can show you if you want to see it. I mean, I don't want to offend anybody. Where is it? Oh, I didn't post it here. I posted the Solana long. Oh, I'd have to scroll all the way through all the good mornings. You guys talk too much anyways, so I'm not going to go find it. Thanks, John Foster Crypto, says Ryan. Oh, shit. Ryan, careful, bro, please. Please, man. Where's the balloon dog? I feel guilty that I haven't. shown the evidence. Bitcoin's still consolidating sideways here. There it is. That was yesterday. Balloon dog. Easy. So you guys all got long down here. I got long here. It's all right. We all make money. That's the key. Is that we all winning. We all know what we're looking for. Yeah, so oversold here. Can push up, but NASDAQ failing to do so. SPY, we'll see how it gaps coming into market open. We got 9 minutes here, guys, so let's remain patient. No need to rush to trade this morning. Coming into midweek reversal, potentially, right? Monday false move. Render alert going off. What's render saying, guys? Is it going to bounce or what? Render hitting our buy level. So Discord, people on the live, potential long on render. I'm still like, this is 1 hour time frame analysis, so we still obviously have this gap here. So don't assume we're going to bounce here. Just wait for confirmation if it's going to do so. I got to stop spoon feeding the live stream, man. Can I get some spoons in the chat, though? I like spoons in the chat, man. Thanks, Orhan. Spoon is good. Balloon dog? It's a pattern we trade here. We also trade a stiletto pattern. We also trade hot dogs. Caulking covers everything. Yeah, make sure it's paintable. I once did a job. Oh man, what a disaster this was, guys. Oh, what a rookie mistake. I was still young. I was like 20, 25. I did this guy's baseboards, guys. And I did all the baseboards. This is pretty good. It was cheap baseboard, right? So you're not, you could caulk it after kind of deal. I did all the baseboards, all nice, whatever. And then I went and caulked them all. And guys, I used, have you ever done this? I don't know if you guys, instead of using white caulking, I used clear caulking. What a disaster. What a disaster. I've never spent more time with a utility knife in my life. What a disaster. Oh. I can still see the house, I can still see the house. Because, like, if you look at Alex Plus, right? Alex Plus. Okay. Caulk. And this is what we use in Canada here. Alex Plus, I know. Alex is cool, man. You look at Alex Plus here, okay? DAP, okay? If you don't look, you can easily not buy. It says, okay? It says if it's clear, like the tips now tell you it's brown, right? But you can easily mistake white, okay? White for clear. Easily. I'm telling you. Easy mistake, man. Easy mistake. Like, obviously, I know to look for it now. My miters didn't look this bad, guys. Whoever did this miter right here, this guy, you got to go back. You got to go back to your first level apprentice, and you got to go and practice with your handsaw, bro. Look at that gap, guys. That looks like, you know what that looks like? That looks like I just see this guy here all day long. The chipped tooth. What a mistake, though, man. Yes, you do that once and never again. Yeah. Oh my God, what a disaster. like a whole floor. Like I did the whole floor in clear. Like 3 tubes, guys. A whole floor in three tubes of clear caulking. And I'm like, why does everything look terrible? Why does it all look open still? Or like, why does that nail not look covered, right? From the caulking? Guys, 3 tubes. Fuck. I can still see the house, man. Crazy. Make sure you got the white caulking. Hey, Alex, can I pay in crypto for your Discord membership? We don't do crypto typically. I'm trying to accept crypto, but not right now, man. Sorry about that. But it's paintable, yeah, exactly. I should have probably just took out the white paintbrush, right? But then it would be off color and we got 3 minutes here. 2 minutes till market open, guys. Do you think gold and silver are going to come back down? Possibly, man. It's very overextended, right? So naturally you should see a correction, but the debasement trade is very, very real right now. Bullish CVD, Alex? Nah. I wouldn't say that's bullish CVD, bro. What makes that bullish? Got lower lows and higher lows? Just barely, man. You're just barely. You're splitting hairs there. Splitting hairs. You want bullish CVD in a downtrend? It's nice, but no confirmation. Buy level down below. No reason to take a bullish CVD trade here. I like your thinking, though. I like your thinking. There's nothing wrong with that. Unless you're looking on like a much higher term time frame. I'm sure there's absorption down below. Maybe you're on like an hourly time frame here. I could be, misinterpreting what time frame you're looking at. Maybe you're looking at something. Yeah, still don't like it. Yeah, still don't like it. CVD is good. I mean, it's just buyers and sellers, right? Who's in control? That's basically it. Coming down right now into market open. Guys, of course this is coming into market open, right? Right into the 15 minutes of chaos. Let's go, baby. Otter gang, gang, gang. I don't see enough likes in this channel. I don't see enough subscribers. We got 27 more subscribers to get before we hit 17,000. If we hit it today, we'll do the giveaway. If not, then tell your uncle to come tomorrow. Might give him a free membership to the Discord. 510 people in here. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, subscribing if you're new. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Make sure you guys come next Wednesday. We're going to have a special guest on. We have a new product that we are being affiliated with, sponsored by, whatever you want to call it. I'm really excited to show you guys this thing, man. It's cool. Hopefully we can help you get some magical profits going here. Big gap up for the S&P this morning. Wow, that's actually quite impressive. Okay, looking for a continuation trade here. Can it bounce? We'll see. We'll see NASDAQ here. Pretty flat. Bitcoin rolling over. Sweep of the lows coming down here for Bitcoin. Sweeping the lows. Dumping. Bitcoin rolling over. Solana rolling over. ETH rolling over. Coming into our buy level on ETH. Coming into our buy level on Bitcoin. Rolling over right now. Let's see what happens. No trade right now. Just trying to be patient. Good patience here. Big sweep. Sweep and go. Sweep and go. Want to go? Who knows? How low can you go? Coming down for the SPY right now. Break it down now. Nice bounce on Bitcoin. I don't know. Maybe we should have taken the long there. Maybe we should have taken the damn long there. I'm still waiting, guys. I'm still waiting here. Big sweep. Retest the previous highs here. No trade for me. Bitcoin ripping. Soy Boy Lana ripping. Bitcoin trying to push here. Beautiful sweep into our buy level. Did anybody get long? Put a 1 in the chat. I did not. I'm still not convinced by this move just yet. Let me know. Are you long? Are you short? Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Hanging out here. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Make sure you are saying good morning. That's all we require here, really. So we're looking for good mornings, man. Still waiting here. Nice sweep into our buy zone. Trying to push up here. Still waiting. First candle, man. First candle. I feel like I would have taken that trade if I was Sometimes I wonder why I live stream. Sometimes I do wonder. Too much talking, not enough trading. Waiting for that all morning. Waited an hour and a half to take a little scalp long. Yeah. Grumpy Alex now. Nah, it's all good. ETH SFP, Sol SFP. Bitcoin SFP. Bullish candle close there. Continuation here. NASDAQ still dumping. SPY pushing up. Bitcoin pushing up. Solana pushing up. Trying to break momentum here. Looking to mitigate this high here. Render bouncing. Don't FOMO in here, guys. I'm telling you that. You get humbled pied really quick. Humble pied really quick. Good morning, HRJ. Good to see you, brother. Okay, still waiting here. Nice push. NASDAQ bouncing. Very choppy this morning, guys. Retest to previous lows and dump. Warning. It's a warning sign here. Warning sign here. If this is our low for the day, I'll be pissed, but that's okay. Rolling over here on NASDAQ. Bearish divergence, double top, rollover. Concerning. SPY concerning as well. Still waiting here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Thank you for subscribing. That's cool, man. I appreciate the subscriptions. Rejection off momentum here. No follow through here. Still waiting. Solana looking good. ETH looking good. Little rejection on ETH here. NASDAQ holding this support level. Bitcoin flat here. Late longs, trapping late longs, so be patient here. I would not be longing here. You got a perfect retest of previous lows, right? I mean, your SFP was the trade. Then you're coming back into some resistance here. So a little patience. We'll see how it goes. Bitcoin pushing, continuation, breaking out of momentum into your first order block. One nice candle close here, guys. Beautiful candle close above that high there. That's strength, guys. Damn, Daniel. Pullbacks are for buying now. AVAX alert going off, everybody. Soy Boy Lana pushing. Midweek reversal in play now. Breakout retest, continuation trade here on Bitcoin. Jealous of all you guys getting long. You guys all getting paid and getting laid today. Not me. Damn, Daniel. Damn, Daniel. 1% move already. GG's, everybody. I love seeing you guys win. I will celebrate your wins. I will be jealous, but I do like seeing you guys win. GG's to everybody who got long there. Good job, everybody. Good trade. Otter gang, gang, gang. Love it. Love it. Love seeing you guys win. Nice push here. Good follow through. Retest continuation trade here. NASDAQ very choppy. Chop at the top. SPY's continuing to push. Massive gap below us here. Interesting. Enticing buyers this morning. Still waiting here. No trade. See what we get. Nice push up though. It was a perfect scalp, guys. It's a perfect scalp, in my opinion. 75% out. Take profit at the top here. Perfect scalp. I was flipping through the channels, guys, which is fine. It's part of the live stream. I get it. Coming back in here, wick test now. Looking for a wick test. Wick test in. That's your wick test there. You'd buy that right there, but not for me. Too aggressive down. No trade. Trapping longs. Too aggressive down. This is why you have to understand volume, guys. Still waiting. It's a clean wick test. Yeah, too aggressive down, bearish engulfing. SFP of late shorts. Coming down again. Humble pie for everybody who got long and didn't pay themselves. Trigger wave to the downside. 3 minute. 12 minutes still trying to push here. $24 green dot trying to print anchor wave. Not bad. Hourly still looks like crap. Still waiting here, no trade. Very aggressive VWAP to the downside here. Just reckon the late longs in here. Patience, patience, patience. Pretty aggressive back down. Have you personally told us to enter? I don't tell you what to do, man. I'll let you know when I enter. I'll let you know what I do. You do whatever you want to do, man. You do whatever you want to do, Shubham. Why don't you scalp gold? Because I've been looking at Bitcoin for 3 years, man. I know Bitcoin. I know how it trades. I know how it behaves. It's the bread and butter, man. It's familiar. If I was going to trade something else, it'd be NASDAQ. Like if I was to scalp on something else, it'd definitely be NASDAQ. The one thing that NASDAQ doesn't have, in my opinion, is the euphoric move. Okay, NASDAQ, yes, it has big moves, and yes, it does trade volatile, and it's awesome. I watch one of my favorite traders trades the NASDAQ, but sometimes you leave a runner on Bitcoin and your $2,000 trade turns into a $6,000 trade, and I've had it happen many times. Nice sweep in here, coming back for late longs. Anytime, bro. Thanks for the questions. I don't mind answering your questions. I hope I can do my best to help. Took the money and ran. Nice, Brumbolo. Good job. Good work. So you have a 3-minute break here, but it's not that great. Rolling over, exhaustion in the wicks here. We have another trigger wave forming, but for me right now, it's no trade. Still haven't taken that low, right? So, yes, we swept in here and we could have scalped that up. That would have been one and done. Easy trade. Would have been out already. We still have our sweep in here that we haven't mitigated. We still have our sweep below here that we haven't mitigated. Okay? We have momentum fake out. Trying to push here. We have Solana fake out. Trying to push here. Back into major resistance. Rejection down. ETH, same thing. Sweep of the highs. Rejection down. So looking for a continuation trade here, but want to be more confident than this. Right? It's very chop. And remember where we're at, right? We're in the hot dog zone of the major range, right? So if we're zooming out and we look at this and where we're trading, we're trading in choppy areas, right? Okay. What we want to be trading in is, right, we're in the chop zone. We're in the point of control here. We're not at the buns. We're in the hot dog zone of the range. So for me, it's like if this, then that. We have very strong topping here on a higher term time frame, and we have a mitigation of the low here. So this tells me that any sort of pullback is for shorting, not for buying. Okay, unless I get what I want to see in here, we don't long this. Okay, look at this engulfing candle, right? So right now is the patience game. Who can be more patient? This to me looks weak, right? Failure to push, NASDAQ rolling over, pretty aggressive dump here, coming back for that liquidity we talked about this morning. SPY as well, chop in the top, exhaustion, most likely coming back to retest the highs, right? Retest continuation. So what's expectation order flow? Expectation order flow is that we have swept the highs. We've grabbed all the late shorts this morning, late short, late short, late short. We've crushed their hearts. Now we're rolling over. Right? So what do we expect? Where's liquidity? We're hunting liquidity, right? So we're looking to take this low here first. Then we're looking to come for these lows. If this, then that. Can we bounce out of here? Golden pocket retracement level. Okay, so nothing yet. We wait. There's no signs here. There's a slap in the key level. We could have taken that trade, right? Because of the volume, because of the way it behaved, because we were looking for that all morning. But we would have been out already. Now, we wait. Okay? Very simple. Decreasing volume after that too. Okay. Very aggressive bounce here on NASDAQ. That's a good sign. Confluence on Bitcoin? No. Very aggressive bounce here on NASDAQ. SPY as well. SPY is pushing. NASDAQ pushing. Bitcoin flat. Solana battling to hold here. I would like lower for Solana. Bitcoin rolling over. Do you have a nice curvature on market cipher here, rolling up? This creates bull divs, right? We get bull divs throughout, which just tells us to be patient. That's it. Render can shut up. Render can shut up, man. Stop binging us, man. I'm going to put this alert down. I can't handle it anymore, guys. It's driving me nuts. It's probably bugging you guys too. Okay, sweep of the lows here. Job's done. Job's done. NASDAQ rejection. No trade. Still waiting. Job's done. Grab that liquidity in that low. Could push here. Trying to push here. Considering a long. $30 seconds on the candle. Still waiting. Still waiting on this candle here. Still waiting on this candle. This is why we wait for candle closes, everybody. Right there. That's exactly why you wait. That's exactly why you wait. That's why you wait. Terrible candle. No trade. That's exactly why you wait. Right there. It looked good, didn't it? It looked good until it didn't, right? That's exactly why you wait for the candle close. That's a good patience right there. I wanted to buy that really badly. We would have been wrecked. Good patience, good discipline. GG's for good discipline. Swept, done. Rolling over. Perfect. This is good. NASDAQ, major dump. Coming down. Enticing buyers, rolling over. Same deal on SPY here. Coming to the bottom of our golden pocket here, trying to bounce. H-bar alert going off Discord. Good dump here this morning. A little bit of humble pie. We always like some humble pie, don't we? Good patience here, Discord. Good patience here, gang. Algorand alert going off. H-bar alert going off. For Discord members. Solana coming into our buy zone. Ethereum, no man's land. Solana in buy zone. Bitcoin pushing back. Retest of lows. Still waiting here. Nice rollover this morning, everybody. We're losing orb right now. Let's see a retest, continuation down possibly. Still no trade. Soy Boy Lana looks to go lower. I would assume at minimum we come in here. Bitcoin does not look strong here. Indecision at the bottom. Trying to hold our buy level. If we can reclaim orb, we can possibly consider a long, but not yet. Considering a short here, if anything. We look to short it down to our liquidity down below, but trying to push back. That's a decent candle coming in. Coming into orb now. Trying to hold. Momentum. Irrelevant now. Trying to reclaim orb here. No trade. Solana, nice bounce. Bitcoin trying to bounce. Bottom of our buy level. Nice bounce up. Here's a retest of previous lows. Little resistance in here. No trade. Still got 2 minutes on this candle, everybody, so a little patience here. Not liking market cipher right now. Rejection at 0 line on the 24-minute. Solana trying to bounce. Retesting lows the same. ETH doing the same. No strength here. Trying to push back. 2 good candles in here. Buyers stepping up. Buyers stepping up. Failure to push. Failure to push here. Still no trade. Still waiting. Very choppy this morning, guys. Failure to push above orb. We got a minute left on this candle. NASDAQ, nice bounce again. So nice little enticing NASDAQ bounce again. SPY, nice bounce again. Are people sufficiently wrecked? That's the question. Be looking for something like this. Continuation back into the liquidity above us. Something like that. Still waiting here. Thank you, everybody, for subscribing, hanging out in the channel. We're 7 subscribers away from 17,000, guys. So I guess we got 7 minutes to get 7 subscribers. I don't know if you guys have not liked or commented. Maybe spam some otters in the chat. Maybe we can get some more in here so we can do a giveaway today. I don't know. Let's see some chat spam. I don't know what gets this thing going, but we got 652 people in here. God bless you guys. Thank you for hanging out, man. This is cool. You guys are top notch, man. This is a good candle close, man. I like this. So now we're retesting lows, but very aggressive candle here. Retesting lows, looking for follow through. So closing above the orb. Solana still looks weak. Bitcoin trying to hold here. NASDAQ pushing up strong. Great candle here. SPY pushing back. Not even revisiting previous highs. Bitcoin trying to hold here. ETH reclaiming range. Trying to go. Looking bullish here, guys. I'm concerned about the revisit of these lows. That's what I'm concerned about. We're in a downtrend. We're revisiting the lows. This is typically where you short. Okay. Yes, this is pretty overplayed here. We're pretty overextended to the downside, but this is your initial resistance. If we can crack that and retest, that's much better in my opinion. Let me know in the chat. Are you guys long? Are you short? Are you guys spamming? I don't see enough spamming going on. Let's go, everybody. Gang, gang, gang. Thank you, everybody, for being here and hanging out. Short, long, lurker, otters, gang. Money flow does look terrible. Yeah, you're right. Join the Discord. Final sale. It's the last time it'll be $65, man. It's the last time, man. Not going there again. I like Solana. Solana looks juicy. Solana does look juicy. Still remaining patient here. No trades, everybody. Still chilling. Still chilling. No trades here. Always showing my trades. Always showing what we're thinking, what we're doing, what we're trading, how we trade it. Making crypto honest again. That's what this channel is all about, right? Finding purpose and freedom from someone who trades this thing daily, who manages to trade full time without a paid Discord beforehand, without your subscription to my trading exchanges and your fees and all that garbage. I ain't that guy, man. I'm just here to click buttons with you and hopefully help guide you. That's it. Doji at the top. Doji at the top concerning. This could break down. Doji at the top. We could engulf or we could break down. A nice close above orb again. So two good closes above orb. Now trying to get acceptance into that range. We just hit 17,005 subscribers. You guys are cool, man. Let's go. Gang. I guess we're doing a giveaway today, man. Thank you guys so much, man. You guys are top notch, man. You guys are top notch. God bless you guys. Thank you for supporting the channel, man. That's cool. 17K. I remember. Let's go, Alexandra G with the 10 gifted memberships. Medium Pekka. Lurker. Kara. What's going on? Nova. Lurker. Frembo. What's going on, bro? How you been? Ritual. What's going on, man? How you been, too? Arden. Lurker. Zach. Lurker. Yin and Yung. Lurker. Crypto Forex Unlimited, Lurker. Wrestling Reality, Lurker. Let's go, GG. Splooshy emojis. If you know what the splooshy emoji is from back in the day, let's go, baby. Edwin Sparks, good morning. Mesh, Lurker. Fleck, Lurker. Stefan, Lurker. Ahmed, Lurker. My God, look at all these lurkers. Look at all these memberships. You guys are crazy. Dave Digital, Alexandra G, French Toaster. God bless you guys. Thank you guys. Gang. Let's see some lurkers in the chat, some water in the chat. Let's spam that chat. We hit 17,000 subscribers. You guys are great, man. Thank you so much, French Toaster, Dave, and Alexandra G. Lurkers. Lots of lurkers in here. Not saying good morning, man. Lurker. Vindesh Lurker. Coin New King Lurker. Tall Boy Crypto. I don't know, man. I don't identify with tall. I'm Lord Otter King Beaver. Those are my pronouns. Creep. You're Lurker, man. Lurkers, man. I will do a trade only for you. Let me give you a day to think about what you just said in my channel. Have a good day, Shuba Baba. Seal gang. Let's go. Nice push here. Pushing back in. Trying to go. No trade yet. Still waiting. Still waiting here. Solana, nice push. Solana looks really good here. Anybody buy Solana, man? What a buy level. Spoon feeding the gang as usual. Bitcoin trying to push here. Doji engulfing. Continuation trade. Soy Boy Lana reclaiming the range. Getting a little rejection right now. Bitcoin. Want to see that retest back into orb here. All right. Well, I guess we got to do a giveaway now. We got 670 people in here. You guys are cool, man. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. See if we get follow through here. All right. All right. 17K, man. That's wild. You guys are really cool. Thank you, guys. God bless you. Thank you for supporting the channel. I appreciate it. I do appreciate it. All right. You're going to go over to this video. You're going to subscribe to Wave Cipher, and you're going to smack up like buttons and all that. Go over here, comment Otter Gang, everybody. Otter Gang. If you are a member, you can still win. Make sure you subscribe to his channel. Wave Cipher is an amazing trader, does TA in the afternoon. Go over to this video, comment Otter Gang. Okay. Comment Otter Gang, everybody. Thank you so much for the congratulations, guys. Wave Cipher is great. He's a trader in our Discord. Great human, good person. Go over to this video, like and subscribe. Okay? Go and comment Otter Gang. Go over here, comment Otter Gang in the comments. Subscribe to his channel. Do that now. You got 20 seconds. Subscribe to the channel. Comment Otter Gang. We're going to do the giveaway right now. Well, we should be trading, but we're going to do the giveaway because you guys are awesome. So thank you. Go over to there. Comment Otter Gang. Okay. You got to subscribe. If you're not subscribed, you're going to end up not getting the giveaway either. Okay. Otter Gang. Let's see if we get this to 700. Come on, guys. Like, subscribe. Great TA, coach in our Discord, amazing person. Like and subscribe. Otter Gang. And if you are part of our membership already, we'll give you some USDT. Okay. All right, we all commenting. We're all good. Get in the comments now. It's on 20 seconds this time. Here we go, baby. Dun da da dun da da dun. Boom 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 boom. Listen to the beatbox. Otter Gang. Boom 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 boom. From Afghanistan to crypto. Let's go. GG's, man. GG's on your win, man. Gang. Let's go, baby. Come over to the Discord and claim your prize. Welcome to the Otter family. Come over here to the Discord, Mr. Winner Chicken Dinner. You now have a membership to the most amazing Discord in all of crypto. Congratulations. And thank you guys for being here and supporting the channel. I appreciate it. Chop at the top, guys. No trade here. You guys going to make me go another 5 minutes? We can go another 5. Very choppy here, guys. No trade. So what are we looking for? We're looking for a sweep of these lows. Okay? Sweep of these lows. Most likely this low over here. Okay? Be aware of that. Or we're looking for an orb breakout retest continuation trade here. Mitigation of the high. We're looking for consolidation with the orb and continuation. NASDAQ pushing. Okay? NASDAQ retest to highs. Continuation out. Okay? Same deal here. Okay? That is what I'm looking for. That is what you should be looking for. Be patient out there. This is very choppy, very volatile right now. Don't FOMO in at the top. Just be patient. Let the price come to you. Okay? Thank you, everybody, for supporting this channel. 17,000. We're just here live trading, trying to help you guys navigate this stuff. Join the Discord. Sales on until Friday. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful rest of your day. I will see you guys in the Discord today. Live streaming. I will see you guys later. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto.